Let me show you the secrets to capturing a woman's thoughts and keeping her intrigued. But hold on. I have 4 simple rules for you. Follow them, and any woman will be captivated by you. Now let's talk about the chemistry between two people. It all starts with an emotional connection. But don't confuse emotional connection with pouring out your deepest desires too soon. It's about showing her that you're the guy she desires. The time you spend with her during the attraction phase is crucial. Keep it light, fun, and make sure she knows you're there. In this video, I'll reveal how to make her constantly think about you once you've entered the stage of spending time together. You'll learn the techniques to make her thoughts revolve around you. So pay close attention and get ready to leave a lasting impression on her mind. Number 1. Be unpredictable. It's the most crucial one of all. You need to create an imbalance so she realizes she still needs to catch your attention and put in some effort to win you over. For example, if you always text her good morning or good night, try not doing it as often anymore. See if she starts doing the same. Also, don't respond too quickly to her messages. Make her wait a bit and feel excited when your name appears on her phone. Number 2, your mysterious side. Let her wonder about your activities. Avoid posting every single detail of your life on Instagram, like what you're eating or who you're hanging out with. Instead, be more selective with your social media presence. Being mysterious also means taking temporary breaks. You don't want to disappear for too long, but give her enough time to wonder what you're up to. For instance, if it takes you a whole day to reply to her morning text and you finally respond at night, saying you've had a busy day and wish her a good night, it shows her that she's not your sole focus. This kind of intrigue is appealing to women because they perceive you as someone with a fulfilling life. After all, no woman wants an unstable man. Avoid oversharing every little detail on social media, like your meals or companions. By posting less and occasionally taking breaks, you'll pique her curiosity. For instance, if you respond to her morning text after a day, mentioning your busy schedule and wishing her good night, it conveys that she's not your sole priority. Women appreciate this as it shows you have a fulfilling life and stability. Number 3. Engage in conversation. It's time to put Rule 2 into action, not just once, but a few times. Some dating coaches suggest disappearing for 3, 4, or even 5 days. But let's be real, if she's attractive and has options, she won't be thrilled by that. Instead, you should pop in and out on your own terms, showing that you're a busy person. Keep this up for about 3 days. When you finally engage in conversation again, she'll be left wondering what you've been up to. She might even question if you have another girl or something captivating that's occupying your time. This sets you apart from other men and increases her attraction towards you. In fact, she might even ask, "When will I see you again?" when you reach out to her. That's exactly where you want her to be. Number 4, making plans after staying busy. While you pop in here and there, be less attentive during these 3 or 4 days. Don't reply to her messages too often or blow her off because of your busy schedule. Instead, after reconnecting, focus the conversations on what she's been up to rather than just talking about yourself. Keep some mystery, eventually schedule something with her, not right away. Why? Because the time that passes will make her excited to see you again. During this crucial attraction phase, say something like, "Hey, I'm busy for the next 2 days, but I have some time on Friday night. Would you like to grab a drink around 7? You don't want to become just a texting buddy." Keep your messages simple to the point and often closed-ended. By not making yourself too available, you give her enough time to miss you and desire to see you again. This is how you stand out in her mind. However, if a woman doesn't reciprocate any of this, she might not be interested. And thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please show some love by hitting like and subscribe button See you in next video.